Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a Google Pixel 10 Pro XL, and let me share with you how to change the 3 buttons navigation into the gestures and the other way around. And obviously I've got gestures applied right now, so let me first of all show you where is the section where you can change the navigation type, and after that I'll explain both of them. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down and localize the option system, and then let's go to navigation mode. And as you can see here, we've got 2 different options. So let's pretend we've got 3 button navigation. Just tap on this option. And here obviously we've got the back button, the home page and recent. Unfortunately, in this device we cannot customize the buttons, so we cannot reorder them, for example. But basically, if you wish to set the gestures, all you have to do right now is to tap on this gesture navigation option, and instead of the 3 buttons, you've got this line which is responsible for some gestures, which I will show you in a second. Here we've got also the settings icon, so let's tap on it, and we can customize the gestures. You can also try a demo. You can basically try the gestures. You can go through the tutorial and learn how to use them. We've got the digital assistant, so you can swipe to invoke the assistant. And here you've got the back sensitivity section. And to be honest, I highly recommend to get back to this option after a while of using the gestures, so you will be able to decide whether you need the sensitivity to be higher or lower. Basically, it depends whether you're using case on your device, whether you're only working or just scrolling through websites, or you're playing games, etc. So it really depends, and it is the best idea to come back here after a while of using it. Alright, so now a quick tutorial of how to use the gestures. If you wish to come back to the previous page, just like by using the back button, you have to swipe your finger from the side to the center, and if you can see this arrow, you can release the finger, and the same situation from the right side. If you wish to change between the apps, so for example, right now we've got the settings, but previously I had opened the camera, I believe. All we have to do is to swipe our finger right here, so a little bit up and then to the right. Let me show it to you. Something like that. And as you can see here, we've got our previous option, which is the advanced options in the camera. So this is how it works. And here the dialer, and here the wallpaper. So as you can see, this is how swiping between apps works. If you wish to get back directly to the home page, you can swipe your finger, or you have to actually swipe your finger from the bottom to the center of your device, and make sure that this motion is quick and short. So do something like that. And if you wish to open the recents, repeat the gesture. So from the bottom to the center, but hold your finger somewhere here. So elongate the gesture and stop it here. Just like that. And here, after releasing, you've got the recents. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.